Here is something very interesting topic for recruiters today. So here the question is, can a H1B candidate be able to work with multiple employers? Or can a H1B candidate be able to work with one employer but multiple end clients? Have you ever thought of it? It is possible for a H1B candidate to work with two employers, meaning employer A and employer B, alright? And the H1B candidate is eligible legally to work with two clients while working with one employer, meaning the H1B candidate is an employee of a company A and he can work with the end clients, let's say Microsoft and Bank of America. And this is possible. And how it is possible? I'm going to share that in a moment. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe. This is Suman Pachigulla. I'm a MAV recruiter mentor and #1 best-selling author of the book Nail the Deal. It's a 6-steps blueprint to become the highly paid recruiter. I'm on a mission to impact 5 million lives. So here, let's understand how a H1B candidate can work with two employers. If a candidate, H1B candidate, is working with company A and he got an opportunity or she got an opportunity that is with company B, so the company B has to file a concurrent H1B petition. Okay, it is concurrent H1B petition, and with this H1B concurrent H1B petition, the candidate is eligible to work with a different client with company B. Are you getting my point? So here you may be asking how it is possible. Yes. For example, a H1B candidate is working with a company A. Obviously it is full time. So here, when the company B files the concurrent H1B petition on this candidate, on the behalf of this candidate, they have to mention it is a part-time job, because a person working full-time cannot work full-time at the same time, right? So it has to be a part-time job. They have to mention in the LCA about the nature of the work, whether it's a full-time or part-time, and in I-129 they have to mention the hours and the time that candidate is going to work on. So now this candidate can work full-time with company A, who is the primary visa sponsorer. At the same time, the H1B candidate can work with the company B, who is concurrent H1B filer. Alright, so here the candidate has to keep in mind, and at the same time the company B has to keep that in mind, that they are not filing as a H1B transfer, but they have to check the boxes which says about the concurrent H1B filing. And it goes similar with the way the H1B transfer happens. Only the thing is they have to mention this is a concurrent H1B petition. And if this job changes, meaning there is a material change in the job, meaning the person is working in one county and that person has to go to different county, the employer has to file for the LCA and the H1B amendment and everything. If the location is work from home, the title is same, and the job is similar to what this person is doing, then there is no need of filing this LCA and again this amendment, alright, because the nature of the job is similar. In any case, in the change, they have to go through all the documentation process. And you may ask, what if the company A knows about this company B things? So according to immigration law, the company A doesn't have anything to do with what the H1B candidate does, unless the candidate has signed any sort of agreements, any non-compete things with the company A. But according to the immigration law, the H1B candidate can directly work with the company B on this concurrent H1B petition. And this is only for the information basis to our recruiters. This is not any kind of legal advice. If you are looking for any sort of legal advice, do connect with a good attorney and they may help you understand with different scenarios according to where exactly your current H1B situation and how exactly you can move forward. Thank you very much for listening, and do share this information with other recruiters and let them understand that in this pandemic how their candidates can work with multiple jobs and they can earn more money, because at the end in US the more they work the more taxes they pay, and this is legal, absolutely legal to work with two employers at the same time. Thank you very much and God bless.